Hello and welcome to this amazing video. My name is MK Akan, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down a sales copy written to sell a physical product. One of the best things you can do to improve your copywriting skill or to stay sharp is to read other sales pages or sales copy, analyze it, and then try to break it down. This is going to keep you sharp. This is going to keep your mind alive. And then that is exactly what I'm going to be doing here. You can also learn a lot from watching videos from other copywriters who analyze and break down sales copy. So this is a sales copy that was published on a newspaper, and I think even till 2003 it was still running, and it sold a lot of these products. It's a physical product that purifies air. It was published in newspapers, and it made a lot of sales. Usually, the best way to sell physical products usually demo videos, but it is still possible to sell physical products with text copy. All right, so this is an example of text copy that really worked. So I'm going to analyze it, read it out, and share a few things with you. Now, I cannot read the whole copy because some part of the copy is really tiny. All right, let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, I could still read that, but I'll just read the parts that are very visible, and then we can discuss it. Now, the headline says, new super air purifier can eliminate most indoor air pollutants in less than 1 hour. So, some of the important words that are there. Let me open up this pen. Some of the important words that you can find here are a few things. Number one, new. All right, this is air purifier. Eliminates what it does, air pollutants in less than 1 hour. So you can learn a few things here. New, anytime we see the word new, people love to try new things. So new is very important, and if you have there is a formula that you can use to check the word NESB. All right, so if you know about Carl Milligan, you're going to know about NESB, which is a simple formula for writing copy. NESB stands for new, E stands for new, easy, right? Safe and big. So the main idea used in this headline is the word new. People love the word new, and people love to try new things. So anytime you're trying to write copy and it's a new idea, new thing, you can use the word new and it will grab attention. So new air purifier can eliminate. Eliminate is the verb, the active word. Eliminate, some people would say remove, but eliminate means it's going to cut it off. Most indoor air pollutants. Most indoor air pollutants is not very specific, but they solve the problem by giving some examples below. We'll talk about that in a minute. In less than 1 hour, it's not very specific too, but it's better than saying in no time. So, new super air purifier can eliminate most indoor air pollutants in less than 1 hour, which is a benefit headline. Now, I always like to talk about awareness level and sophistication level when I'm doing my reviews, because that's when I help you understand why the headline was used. Now, this headline, this sales copy is solution aware. The people who are buying this kind of product understand that they have a problem. They understand that there are solutions. All right, so they are just learning about a new solution. That's why the headline says new super air purifier. Okay, so it is a solution aware headline, and this is going to grab people who are in other lower levels of awareness. What I mean by that is people who are problem aware, and people who are problem aware, people who are solution aware, people who are down below that awareness level, solution aware, problem aware, people who are product aware, people who are aware. Okay, all of that is going to be people who this headline, this ad might work for. So let's go ahead with the other part of the copy. Works to eliminate dust, smoke, pollens, mold, carbon monoxide, panda, dust, mites, relief for allergies and sinuses. So the headline says most indoor pollutants, and then the subhead mentions every pollutant that this covers. This is very powerful because specificity is always very, very, very useful when you're writing copy. So this subhead mentions the different problems. Specificity mentions the different pollutants that this product can purify. All right, it works on dust, smoke, pollen, germs, mold, and this is more like almost everything that people are worried about when it comes to air pollution. So the point is, being specific is very, very persuasive. So if you have to write copy, make sure it is persuasive. And then the third subhead talks about the name of the product, Eden Life. This is the only time the product was mentioned, right in the headline. Alright, so Eden Life purifies air like nature, sun, and thunderstorm. So this is an analogy, or if you like, a simile. It says this product purifies air like nature's sun and thunderstorm, which is something people would really like to see, because if something is working like nature, it means it's going to work perfectly. Okay, so that is a few lessons there, so you can see how this product was sold. Now, most people might want to go mention the product right in the main headline, but this didn't do so. The whole idea, if you mention the product in the headline, it means you're only focusing on people who are product aware, which reduces the market a little bit. All right, this headline expands the market so that everybody who has this problem, or somebody who understands the solution for this problem, can easily read this ad and be interested in buying. Now let me see if I could read some other parts of the copy. By John Wishart, Media Services. A powerful new air purifier that is far superior to anything else on the market has been announced by biotech research. So a few things here. A powerful new is repeated again there. Sorry if you can't read that, but I'm going to read it out for you. A powerful new is making a claim that it's one of the best, and the name of the company is Biotech Research. So it sounds like a scientific name, a science-based company. So that could also be another thing. It is the Eden Pure. All right. The Eden Pure runs quietly, has no filter, has nothing to replace, and there is nothing to clean. The Eden Pure eliminates many types of air pollution than do filters. It does not produce toxic oxide or nitrogen like other electronic air purifiers. It can eliminate most indoor air pollutants in less than 1 hour. So this is very important here. It is comparing it to other products in the market. Other products in the market seem to have disadvantages of producing their own pollutants after use, but this one is different. It has no filter, so this product is being hyped, and the uniqueness is in the copy. Very important. If you have products that are unique and different from what is in the market, make sure you talk about that again and again. The Eden Pure can bring relief for the symptoms associated with allergies, sinuses, or respiratory ailments. So also very important, this talks about what it can do and solutions you can bring. All right, so that is awesome. Now, one other thing that really I loved about this ad is the fact that since this is published on a newspaper, they decided to do a demo in the form of images, pictures. This is something that you can also do if you have no choice. If you can't do a video, all right, if you can't do a video, what the next thing you can do is to do sketches. Okay, if you can't do a video, the next thing you can do is sketches. This is a kind of proof. This is a kind of proof element. All right, anytime you can do pictures, elements, so pictures you can draw and try to explain what you're selling. That is also a kind of proof. So let's see if I can read this. Air pollution, positive charge is suspended in the air, and here's the products. So this picture is just showing how the product works. The whole idea is to prove to the buyer that this thing works and this is how it works. So this is a kind of proof element. This is a kind of demo. So, excuse me, if you don't have any video, the least you can do is to use sketches and use pictures to show how your product works. It is better than having nothing. Okay, or of course, like I keep saying, the best kind of demo is video. If you have videos and you can publish on a website, the video is usually the best. But if you have to publish on the website with text, you can have images to explain what your product does. Okay, this is really powerful. Let me see if I can read. When the activated oxygen contacts pollution, it oxidizes and destroys it. Destroyed pollution is broken up into harmless carbon dioxide and ash. All right, so the important thing here also is to see that the explanation is very simple. People may not understand the science behind a product, so you have to have simple explanation. Use easy words, use words they can understand to explain what the product does. Don't use your scientific jargon. People will be confused and they won't buy what you're selling. So that's the important part there. Make sure it is easy to understand and all of that. Now, I can't see any other part of the copy, but I'm sure this is not the end of this sales page. There could be some things on that, but I can't see. But the important thing is to understand, because there should be the order form and all of that. But there are a few lessons that I've shared here with you already. When you're selling products like this, you can expand your market by using a headline that comes down to solution aware, problem aware, all right? And then the use of demonstration proof pictures, and then being specific and being very simple with your explanation of what the product does. Okay, so this is what this video is going to be about today. I'm going to stop here, and if you want to watch more videos about copywriting breakdown, go through the playlist. And if you want to watch more videos with me breaking down sales pages this way, you should get my comprehensive copywriting course, where I do over 40 videos with me breaking down different sales pages, and you're going to learn a lot that way. Now, if you've learned a thing or two, if you have a question about what I just did, let me know in the comment, and I'll do my best to respond. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, you can also get my comprehensive copywriting program, where I have over 200 sales pages where you can read it and break it down for yourself, and then learn as you do so. Right? Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something here. See you in my next video. Bye bye.